In our hyperconnected world, staying in touch is essential. Yet, inside many buildings, mobile connectivity remains a challenge. Modern insulation materials, while energy efficient, create an invisible barrier to mobile signals, turning our living and working spaces into digital dead zones. Traditional solutions often involve costly installations, invasive work, and significant investments. What if your existing or new glazing could be transformed into connectivity enablers without replacement or major renovation and without any maintenance? Introducing WAVETHRU, the innovation that revolutionizes indoor connectivity. Our unique technology uses a specialized robot that directly treats your existing glazing, creating a privileged pathway for any type of signals, from 2 to 5G and new upcoming technologies, while preserving the aesthetics and thermal performance of your windows. Optimized mobile coverage throughout your building, clearer communications, preserved energy efficiency, all without compromising the appearance of your facade. For office buildings, co-working spaces, healthcare facilities, elderly facilities, bank agencies, we assess your building's connectivity, map signal strengths and dead zones, enhance window signal penetration, and confirm improved coverage with a final audit. WAVETHRU is already deployed in 100 well-known buildings, silently transforming disconnected spaces into hubs of optimal connectivity. Discover how our solution can transform your building into a fully connected space, ready for tomorrow's technologies. WAVETHRU, simply connected through glazing.